Subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon to get notified for the latest tech videos. Hey, what's up YouTube, this is Wasay here, and in this video I am going to show you how you can delete a file on your desktop if it is not being deleted or you are unable to delete it on your Windows 10 or 11 PC. So let's begin the video. Here you can see I have a PDF file, and if I drag and drop it onto the recycle bin, it is not being deleted. If I right click on the file and click on delete, this file is still not deletable. So in this case, you're going to click on the Windows icon. On the search bar, type CMD. Make sure you run it as an administrator. Here you're going to type the command del space. You're going to right click on the file that you want to delete. You're going to click on properties. From here you're going to see the location of the file. In my case it's C user Syed Wasay desktop. In your case it may be different, so you're going to copy this location or the path. You're going to again go to CMD and you're going to paste this path. After that you're going to type backslash, and again on the file properties, on the top you have the file name. In my case it's a long name, but in your case it may be smaller. You're going to click on the name and you're going to right click on it and you're going to copy the file name. You're going to go to CMD again and you're going to paste the file name. Make sure that you copy the correct file name, because if you enter the wrong file name then the other file will be deleted. And after that I'm going to click on enter, and here on the desktop you can see that the file has been removed immediately. And I'm going to click on OK. I'm going to ignore the error message, and you can see the file has been removed. We are going to type exit in CMD and CMD will be closed. So yeah guys, in this way you can delete undeletable files on your Windows 11 desktop. If you guys like this video, like, share, subscribe. If you have any other questions, write them in the comment section below, and if you have not subscribed to my channel, please do so. Other than that, thank you for watching, and as always, stay safe.